special day because my best friend is coming to Uttarakhand for the first time. She's already landed at the airport and I'm on my way to go pick her up. और हमारे साथ हरविंदर जी है. We have some interesting plans for the day. She does not know where we are going. Everything that we are going to do from now is going to be like a surprise for her. And I hope she has a very good time too.
Made it to the airport and there she is.
Welcome to Uttarakhand.
Welcome to Uttarakhand.
Who did this?
This?
Yeah. Yay. How do you like it so far?
I'm sleepy right now, so no comments. Maybe after chai.
It was a morning flight, so I can understand.
Marine Drive.
सही में There is seriously a marine drive. So now we are headed to Jim Corbett National Park. We are going to be staying there today. तो 2 दिन का हमारा जो प्लान है वो Jim Corbett का है.
Jim Corbett National Park may be closed.
Oh God. Damn. तो ये रहा एक पुल जहाँ पे हम उतर गए हैं वॉक करने के लिए.
And this is the reason why we don't make transition videos together. तो अब हम पहुंच गए हैं कोटद्वार के पास, which is about 100 kilometers from Dehradun. The sun is sharp and we are very hungry, which is why
We've taken a stop here. We are going to be having lunch at this place, Himalayan restaurant.
Wash your hands, Sapna. Wash your hands, Sapna.
और मेरे लिए दाल राइस.
मैं बहुत भूखी हूँ.
and this is our first meal together in Uttarakhand.
Do you like it?
Of course.
We still have 80 more kilometers to go. Finally हमें जाके एक अभी जूस का स्टॉप मिल गया है. So we are here. This is bel patar. We don't know what is it called in English.
Tastes like muskmelon.
This is a very good fruit to beat the heat.
What is bale fruit called in English? Aigle marmalades.
You started before me.
So?
So we are very close now. There are only 4 minutes left for us to reach our destination. We are very excited.
So this is our first stop for today, the Golden Tusk Hotel.
Welcome to the Golden Tusk.
The Golden Musk.
Chalo, finally made it to the first stop.
Day 1, baby.
Hand sanitization done, temperature check done, and we are now sitting in the waiting area. So इस बार हमने कोई भी होटल प्री बुक नहीं किया हुआ था. The staff at Golden Tusk showed us all the different rooms that were available here. So these were all the options that we had here. We had a look at the villas, we had a look at rooms with pool view, rooms with the forest view, and also the luxury tents. Now this is what a standard room looks like. There is a separate lounge area and then there is the main bedroom. There's a balcony which is attached to the main bedroom which overlooks the pool, and in the second option it overlooks the forest. So out of all of these options we chose the luxury tent.
So here is a quick room tour of our luxury tent.
Let's go have a look at it. This tent comes with a spacious lounge area where currently we've just kept our bags and stuff. Then comes the main bedroom which has an AC and a TV and also a work table. It looks quite spacious. Here's another section where we have our bathroom and a wardrobe to keep our clothes.
Also 5:30 to 6:30 is the high tea time.
Right.
और टाइम हो चुका है अभी. So there's a restaurant deck जहाँ पे हमारा high tea का सारा preparation हो चुका है. So let's go. We are ready. चलो. Look at how pretty Ankita looks. Look at her, Japanese doll. Please have a seat. Tea for me, tea for Ankita. The waiter asked us that आपके बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं, आप दो ही हो. Either we look really lonely or we have ordered too much food.
थैंक यू।
एक बार शुगर चेक कर लीजिए, चाय में शुगर है नहीं, कॉफी है।
मुझे लगा मेरा शुगर चेक करवा के हूँ, एक बार शुगर चेक कर लीजिए।
Oh shit, Ankita. Aloo bonda. Aloo bonda.
The rest of the evening was just about chilling and eating again. So we came back to the same restaurant at night and had our dinner.
Complimentary pineapple souffle and dessert from the bakery.
Thanked the chef
Thank you
a
very
lot
much.
actually. And then went to sleep. So day 1 comes to an end. Good night. सीखिए भूखे दोस्त को उठाने का सही तरीका.
सपना, it's time for breakfast.
Oh no!
फोन गिराई. Be right back.
Good morning and welcome to day 2 of this trip. It's a bright and beautiful morning.
The breakfast buffet is set and there's nobody at the restaurant.
Fool for a fool. They have glass bottles, they refill this on timely basis. Good job. The Golden Tusk.
पहले एक मेथी के प्लस सूखा आलू भाजी, स्टफ पराठा, इडली, सांभर, सेवई उपमा, एक 2 order, डोसा 2 order, toast butter jam, tea, coffee.
So after having a delicious breakfast, it was now time to leave the Golden Tusk.
So now we are finally taking an exit from Jim Corbett. It was a short stay but a very pleasant one. Exactly how we wanted it to be. Now the plan is to go to Nainital today. We'll reach there in the next 2 hours. So here, saying goodbye to this beautiful property.
But first,
Best friend! Woohoo!
I guess I celebrated too early.
Bye bye Golden Tusk. Continue.
सपना तो तू है.
Our plan was to go for a safari ride, but unfortunately, safari operational नहीं था जब हम यहाँ पर पहुँचे थे. However, I am going to still share some interesting facts about Jim Corbett in case you are planning to come here. So this is the first national park of India and it was created in the year 1936. The name of this place was changed 3 times. Jim Corbett National Park is very well known to be a natural habitat for the tiger species, but you can also find some of the most endangered species like Asian elephants, alligators and sambar deer here. The landscapes, the greenery, the hills will delight your soul along with a thrilling and adventurous experience. So Jeep Safari is the soul of Jim Corbett tourism and the best way to experience wildlife in their natural habitat. If you're planning to come here, you can enter via any of these 5 zones. Also, सबसे interesting चीज़ ये है that you can stay in forest rest houses inside one of these zones during the night too. I couldn't go there, but I really hope you guys get to experience that. Today I'm also going to share one more practice which Ankita has taught me actually. So whenever we spot a scenic sight, we close our eyes and we take 5 deep breaths and then open our eyes to the beauty. Works every single time. We had a cup of tea again and then continued with our journey. We have now arrived in Nainital. So आगे की स्टोरी यहाँ से कंटिन्यू होगी. We will take you to Nainital, Bhimtal, Naukuchia Tal and Sat Tal. It only gets better from here. So stick around. I'll see you in the next one. Like this video if you really like it, but subscribe anyway because it's free.